Hello everyone, welcome to the lesson on Develop React application with TypeScript. In this lesson, we will learn about the introduction to TypeScript. We will learn what is type system, interfaces and functions, generic and decorators. We will go through the modules and namespaces. Then we will learn about JSX, and at the end, we will go through a case study about developing React application with TypeScript. So the course description is as follows. TypeScript is JavaScript with syntax for types. TypeScript is a strongly type programming language that builds on JavaScript, giving you better tooling at any scale. It enables developers to add safety to their projects. Other capabilities offered by TypeScript include interfaces, type aliases, abstract classes, function overloading, tuples, generics, etc. So within this course, what you're going to learn is to set up the IDE to execute TypeScript along with type system. Also, you will learn how to write TypeScript program followed by the interfaces, functions, generics, decorators, modules and namespaces in TypeScript. Then you'll also see how to set up JSX with TypeScript, and you'll also discover how to use React with TypeScript. And at the end, you will learn how to develop React application with TypeScript. So who is this course targeted towards? Firstly, the web developers, then full stack developers, React developers, and also TypeScript developers. So what do you need to learn this course? You need to know the basic knowledge of HTML, CSS to structure the web page. Then you need to have a basic knowledge of JavaScript, then basic knowledge of Node.js, AngularJS and React.js. And lastly, you need to have an understanding of the working of simple web application. Now let's go through the practices and lessons that is planned for you in this course. Firstly, you will learn about introduction to TypeScript. In this, you will have one practice lesson, that is setting up environment for TypeScript. Then we learn about type system. Here there are 3 practice lessons planned for you. Then we learn about interface and functions, there is one practice lesson. Then about generic and decorators, where we have 2 practice lessons. Then we learn about modules and namespaces, JSX and case study. Here you will have one practice for each of the lessons. The practices environment you need to have is the Node.js, Visual Studio Code, and also we would need Google Chrome. So let me summarize the overview of this lesson again. First, you will learn the introduction to TypeScript, then we'll go through type system, then interfaces and functions, then we'll also go through generic and decorators, modules and namespaces, JSX, and lastly the case study. So let's get started with this lesson.